at ZF Aftermarket North America with Anuj. Anuj, I hear you guys have some new diagnostic products in the aftermarket. Can you walk us through those, please?
Yeah, thank you, Eric. So we at ZF Aftermarket, we're on a journey to maximizing mobility uptime. While we already do that with our industry-leading portfolio of parts, we now have diagnostics for the aftermarket, and the name of the product is ZF Multiscan. While you might think this is a product for ZF systems only, it's actually ZF and non-ZF systems across a very wide variety of vehicle makes and models, European, Asian, domestic. Especially on European makes, this product is very powerful when it comes to replicating OEM level dealer capabilities.
No, that's excellent. I mean, with all the emerging technology that are coming out with the vehicles today, it is important to be able to stay on top of everything.
Yes.
So
Yes.
having that hub to be able to communicate to all those vehicles and all those protocols is an excellent, excellent piece. So thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Francisco, I'm told you guys have a new technology coming down the pike. Protect Plus?
So yes, actually Protect Plus is a brand new concept that we just launched into the market. Actually, as you can see, we just won the Best Training Initiative Award here at Apex. With that in mind, we bring in that concept into we call it Protect Plus, and we're bringing that out into the market as of Q1 of next year.
That's excellent. So how does this technology differentiate itself from some of the other stuff on the market?
So when it comes down to training, yes, there's a lot of training providers out there. With ZF Protect Plus, you are getting the OEM information, the OE training specifications. Not only that, our training department as an OE supplier, we are an ASC accredited training provider as well. So they're getting the certificate or AECUs that they could follow through.
So how does Protect Plus help technicians and shops navigate some of the complexities of the emerging technology that's coming out so fast in our industry?
So that's a great question. So that's one of the greatest things about being an OE supplier, because we get to see all that technology beforehand. So how do we help them out? Staying on top of that technology, providing the training, of course with the new tools, providing the tools that they provide as well, they need as well, by getting them on top of the training so that they could understand how to properly do diagnostics and repair qualified products.
No, that's awesome. And then I guess lastly, Francisco, I want to ask you, how does this help kind of close that knowledge gap that is present in our industry because of the speed of the technologies coming down the pike?
Well, Protect is supporting the shops by providing the OE integration in place. So we're the OE supplier, so we get to see that OE technology first. So with Protect Plus, we're bringing that into the market before it even hits the bay. So by the time they're looking at the product, they already know what to look for and how to properly diagnose the product.
That's awesome. Francisco, it sounds like an exciting product, exciting technology, and I thank you for your time explaining it today.
Thank you.
Yep,
Have a good
take
day.
care.